on a job, eh? How do I know you guys can handle an axe?
That's a cutting remark.
Yeah, everybody calls us nutheads.
Right, we're regular chips off the old blocks.
Okay, you're hired. Grab a saw and start lumbering.
Faster, you rockheads. We ain't got all day.
I'm hurrying.
How come you're in charge?
'Cause I got a stick.
So?
Now stay with it.
Oh, I broke it.
There she goes.
Okay, you numbskulls, get that saw out of there. Timber!
What do you mean you can't cut those trees?
Well, there's that bear.
He's knocking the devil out of us.
Yeah, and he might get tough, too.
There ain't no bears up here. Where's your proof?
Where do you think we got these?
You mugs had pointed heads when I hired you. Now get back to work. I still say you guys are nuts. There ain't been a bear up here since the Civil War.
Oh, yeah? Just take a look behind that rock.
Oh, he'll give you such a knock.
Boy, is he tough.
Hello? Any bear in here? Come out, wherever you are. See, there ain't no bear in there. Now quit goofing off. One more complaint and you guys are fired. Anything to keep from working. Sure ain't like the old days.
That'll fix his wagon.
Sure hope this works.
Me, too. That bear's giving me a headache.
All right, get busy. Timber! Now what's he up to?
They really know how to hurt a guy.
Heading for the city, man. We're just been fired.
Fired at, you mean?